Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the October 2023 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit includes two collections. You receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is a great way to get new product and be scrapping each and every month. Along with your kits, you also have access to two recipe cards. So these are double page layouts that our design team designs for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a color photograph of the finished layout, so you can create right along with them. As a subscriber, you also have access to this free cut file. So this month it's all about fall, so we have this fall trio wreath. These are exclusive cut files and they're designed by Cut to You, so be sure to grab all of your freebies before you start creating this month. Our two collections are Photoplay Paper, Vineyard, and Echo Park, I Love Fall. So these are going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to dig in and show you a little bit of everything you're going to get. Our first collection is I Love Fall from Echo Park, and it's full of the beautiful fall colors that I love so much. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of pine cone cardstock, this deep rich brown, and 1 sheet of pumpkin patch cardstock. Your 3 pattern papers, we're going to start with this row of pumpkins, and then we have leaves and acorns and this sweet little mouse down here and the little banners. The back is a two-toned green with the little X's. This paper is called Plump Pumpkins. And then we have all of the different trees and the different colors of fall foliage. The back is a two-toned brown with leaves. This paper is called Autumn Woods. Then we can't have fall without the gorgeous florals along with the leaves. The back is a brown with little like V's, or you could also read them as less than or greater than signs, just little prints there. That's called Fall Flowers. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets. So all of the embellishments will vary, but this is a good kind of idea of what you'll be getting. I got some word labels and then some with icons and little phrases as well. You're also going to get some enamel dots. Those colors will vary. And then about 1/4 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So again, all of these will vary, but you can see you get lots and lots of embellishments to create with. So that is I Love Fall from Echo Park. Our next collection is Wine Tasting from Photoplay Paper. And this is quite unique. I'm not sure I've ever seen another collection that's specifically just for wine tasting, maybe hints to it. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can put down in the comments below if there are some other ones out there. So if people are looking for them, maybe they can find them. But this is a great collection. I love the colors in this. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Ecru cardstock and 1 sheet of evergreen. Your pattern paper is this one with all of the wine bottles and glasses, called Wine Tasting, and the back is a beautiful distressed wood grain. Then we have this paper with all of the grapevines. The back is a tone-on-tone green with all of the kind of the titles of different wines. Then we have a diagonal stripe. This paper is called Bordeaux. Also has just like a little faint text underneath, and the back is a wine labeled paper. Again, it's just really faint in that light gold print. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. We have just a border with the wine labels and then a scalloped circle down here with the grapevines. Lots and lots of little words that you could use for titles, the banners, and then all of the icons for wine tasting. So that is a lot of fun. That's Wine Tasting from Photoplay Paper. One more look at your double shot kit. If you're looking for more collections, check out the Flavors of the Month. I'll have a video link here for that reveal. We also have add-ons to coordinate with it. We have the Shots of Life. We have a gorgeous card kit this month featuring Christmas, so be sure to check those out. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.